The Beacon House in Marquette has seen progress in their efforts to raise enough funds to break ground on their new facility, to be located on the grounds near where the new UPHS Marquette Hospital will reside. Currently, the Beacon House has just over half the funds necessary to start the move.
So about $1,400,000 is still left to raise. And again, that seems like a huge number. I understand people might be, a little bit intimidated by that. But when you think about breaking that up into all the counties, 15 counties in the Upper Peninsula that we serve, and in those 15 counties, if there's a couple hundred people in each of those counties who will make that 906 pledge, it's going to get built. It's going to get built as a team.
Recently, the Hospitality House made the difficult decision to limit the number of rooms they offer for those needing a place to stay while their loved ones receive treatment at the hospital. They have closed all but their offices on 3rd Street. However, they've left the 21 beds at the hospital available in an effort to save funds for the planned movement and expansion. Since July, they've been forced to turn over 200 people away who've needed somewhere to stay.
Unfortunately, I have had to hear stories of these families that are sleeping in their cars because of the financial burden this is on them at this time, and they weren't prepared for it. So we're doing our best, working as much as we can, as hard as we can, to raise those dollars to open the new Beacon House as soon as possible.
But through it all, the community has stepped forward and is working hard to make the plans come to fruition. Last Friday, a 906 pledge party was held to encourage locals to support their cause and to help spread the word of their need. The turnout was uplifting.
It warms my heart. People that I didn't expect to see came, and it was great to meet those folks, and they were some of the hospital staff, and able to be able to thank them in person as well, versus just receiving that pledge in the mail. And then talk about our story and talk about the new Beacon House and how it's going to impact their patients and what we can do to work together to help everyone.
The staff at the Beacon House says that they appreciate any donations to their capital campaign and that they are anxious to see groundbreaking day. Reporting in Marquette, I'm Dane Wormlinger for ABC 10 CW5 News.